All right, so this process is called completing the square. This is something we're going to use later on to help solve quadratic equations, but this is just the basic of how to get it set up, okay? So right now, we have x squared plus 4x, and I want to know what value would go here to make this into a perfect square. So to make it into a perfect square trinomial, the true thing about all perfect square trinomials, this value, the c value, is always half of b squared. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take my b value, cut it in half, and get 2, and then square it, and I get 4. So this is a perfect square trinomial. What that means is I can factor it very easily. It's going to be x plus 2 times x plus 2, or x plus 2 squared. Okay, let's do another example. I'll make another one up on the spot. Okay, we have x squared, and let's do plus. Now let's make it minus 10x. All right, so x squared minus 10x, and I want to know what value will go here to turn this trinomial, or to make this into a perfect square trinomial. So I know if this is a perfect square trinomial, this is going to be half of my b value squared. So I'm going to take half of negative 10 and get negative 5. When I square that, I get a positive 25. So this is going to be plus 25. This is now a perfect square trinomial. To prove it, we can factor it very easily. This would be, what would it be here? I know that 5 times 5 gives me 25, but it has to add to get negative 10. So instead of x plus 5 and x plus 5, it's going to be x minus 5, or x minus 5 squared.